Welcome to Genuine Core, guys. This is the 16th video in the JavaFX material design tutorial series, and this is the continuation of last video. In the previous video we have seen how to implement the JFXTreeTableView, and in this video I will show you how to make use of the filter feature available in the JFXTreeTableView class. So this filtering is used for filtering the data present in the tree table, and it allows us to extract the only information that we need depending upon the keyword given. So let's change the look and just increase the size of the JFXTreeTableView. And since this is a floor pane user, I have to give some margin in order to give a better look. So I have given something like 20 in all sides, and I'm going to add a text field for giving input for the filtering. So I have added a JFX text field and I have to give a 20. Okay, then in the top I'm going to give 20 margin, so that's fine. And in the code section I have to give a name, so I'm going to give the name input, and I'm going to create the controller, so make controller, and I got the input. And the next thing I want to do is to add a listener to the text property of the input. So when the user types something on the text field, I want to do the filtering. So input dot text property dot add listener, and I have to add a change listener, new change listener. And the filtering can be applied by using the predicate method available in the JFXTreeTableView, and I'm going to call the setPredicate, which takes a predicate object, and I'm going to create an object of the class new predicate, and it requires a test function. And this inside this test function we can do testing or checking whether the input string, which is the new value typed, is available on the cell. So that suppose if you want to apply filtering for this department column, suppose you want to filter all the filter out all the row that contains computer, then we have to check only inside this column. So for that I'm going to create a boolean function, so boolean flag equals, and this t is the user object which represent a particular row. So I'm going to take that tree item and getting the user class, and inside that user class I want to check against this department for filtering. So department dot get value dot contains, and I'm going to pass the new value. So when the user press, I'm going to take this new value, and I think okay, so that's good. And this will return true if the department value contains the typed value, and I'm going to return that. So it's okay. Let's run the program. I'm going to run the code here, and as you can see we got the JFXTreeTableView and a JFX text field, and I'm going to type SAL sales, and I got all the rows containing the department sales department. So what happened is when I typed SAL, the listener is called and the function is executed, which returns true. All the rows are checked, and the rows containing the sales department return true, and it is displayed. So suppose if you want to include the name column also for the filtering, and all that you have to do is to make use of an operator or operator and check inside the username section also. So if either the username or department contains the typed value, then the flag will be true, then that row will be shown. So I'm going to use the username get value, and I'm going to close this one. I'm going to run my program again. So I'm going to type empl, and it contains the employee one. So the searching or the filtering is considering the name section also, the name column also. So that's it. That's how you use the predicate function for implementing the filtering option in JFXTreeTableView. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Like the video if you like it, and subscribe for more cool videos.